today we're gonna play with a tractor toy in the mud, and if we get stuck, we might have to get more tractor toys, and maybe if we get so stuck, a big tractor. Y'all ready to go play in the mud? You go play in the mud? Let's go play in the mud! Uh-oh, don't drop it. Oh! Oh, look at all this mud! Go, go, go! You're getting stuck! Hudson! You're stuck! You're stuck! Uh-oh! We got stuck in the tractor! I guess we should go to the house, see if we can find a riding toy to pull it out. You think we can find something?
It is so I can't drive.
It can't drive because it's stuck. Look at all this mud everywhere. Let's go see if we can find something to pull it out. Come on. Well, we gotta find some toys to get our stuck tractor out. We'll start with this one. What do you guys think? Will this one work? I don't know. It's pretty low to the ground. Going through that mud, it might get stuck. Let's see what else we have. A lawnmower? What is that gonna do? There's no way the lawnmower is gonna work. Let's see what else we have. Oh, look what we have here. So this might work, but the tires are pretty bald. Going through the mud, it might slip a lot, don't you guys think? I don't know. Hudson might like this one to sit inside here. You hear that? It's even got a horn on it. We'll see what else we have. If we have anything better, we'll use that. Ooh, a Paw Patrol police bike? Wow. So this thing's high off the ground. It's got a big tire. This might work to pull our tractor out. We got one more thing. Let's see. Wow. I think this is what we're gonna use. It's high off the ground. The tires have all these treads to go through the mud. I bet you we're gonna use this. You think this will help us pull out the toy that's stuck in the mud? I think so too. Let's go use it, come on. now that we pulled the tractor out, maybe we should take your tractor in the mud. You want to try it? Let's see how good it goes through the mud. Go. You're stuck! Guys, we even got the big tractor stuck now. What can we get to pull it out?
A bigger tractor!
A bigger tractor! You wanna go find a bigger tractor? We're gonna go find a bigger tractor to pull it out. Well, this looks like a pretty good tractor. Let's see. Yep, it's got the big tires to pull it out of the mud. Let's see if it has something to tie the rope to. Oh, it does! Look, we could tie the string right here to pull out Hudson's tractor. It's a pretty good idea. Let's go do that. Hurry! Well, we got the tractor here. Hudson's gonna attach this to the big tractor. There you go. And I'm gonna tie this one off over here.
Mine now!
You ready?
It's on.
Good job. So I'm gonna tie this one, and then we can pull your tractor out so it's not stuck.
Daddy, and look.
Oh no, he fell down in the mud. He got dirty. Well, you ready to pull it out? Let's pull it out. Here we go. Well, we got the tractor unstuck. You want to take it off so we can take the string off? And I'll take this side off. Uh-oh. It got really tight trying to pull it off. There we go. Sometimes these strings get tight. You guys think we need to wash this tractor now because it's super dirty. It should probably take a little bath. Also, like Mud Boy over there, look at him. He needs a bath too. Look how dirty he is. Let's wash this off and let's give him a bath. Come on. Videos in the mud like Hudson. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We have tons of videos, right? Bye.